How to block all incoming calls on Android phones, Android Central. Smartphones can do just about anything these days. Did you know they can even make phone calls? You've probably gotten your fair share of spam calls in the last few years. And many carriers are actively working to prevent spam and robocalls from happening. But some people don't want to receive calls at all. Whether you use VoIP services, carry a work phone that only needs access to data, or you prefer texting over calling, here's how you can quickly disable all incoming calls from ringing your phone. Do Not Disturb has been available since the release of Android Marshmallow way back in 2015. This feature makes it so you can either temporarily or permanently disable notifications from coming through. With Do Not Disturb enabled, you can set various rules and schedules for your phone to follow. Muting notifications for certain contacts, time periods, and more. The settings for DND have been fleshed out to the point that you can even make exceptions for different apps and different scenarios. It's the best way to get some peace and quiet whenever you need it, while still allowing some more important notifications to make it through to you. Disabling all incoming calls is easier than you might think. There's no need to fuss with questionable third-party apps or sit on hold with your carrier to ask for manual call barring. In most cases, it's as simple as tapping through a few menu screens. Now that the Do Not Disturb settings have been set to block any phone calls, you'll need to turn DND mode on. You can do this one of two ways. If you are still in the Do Not Disturb settings screen, tap the Turn On Now button at the bottom of the screen. You can also simply swipe down to reveal the notification shade. Swipe further to reveal the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Do Not Disturb. The previous method involved a feature known as call barring and may still appear on some phones. It seems that this is related to the SIM Tools app, which is on just about every Android phone but is usually hidden from use. Whether it appears on your device or not is entirely up to your carrier. For those who want to try for the call barring method, here are the necessary steps. Google's Pixel 4 offers stock Android, a sleek design, and the questionable camera bump is home to some of the best cameras on an Android phone. Flagship phones are great. Paying full price for them isn't. Refurbished phones let you get a flagship device for a fraction of the cost. And these are a few of our favorites. It's always a stressful situation in the event that something happens to your smartphone. This is true for the Nokia 7.1, as you wouldn't want to have to replace your new device due to a cracked screen. To combat those concerns, we have found the best cases you can get for your new phone. Now that the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra have arrived, the first thing you'll want to do is pick up a proper case. But instead of waiting around for third-party retailers to make their cases available, why not grab one from Samsung alongside your Note 20, giving you the whole package right at your doorstep. Andrew Myrick is a freelance writer at Android Central. He enjoys everything to do with technology, including tablets, smartphones, and everything in between. Perhaps his favorite pastime is collecting different headphones, even if they all end up in the same drawer. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.